Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be showing you how to update that Microsoft Edge to the new Microsoft Edge Chromium system that was been updated here. It runs pretty much like Chrome. It's a replacement one for the current one that we had so many problems with. It wasn't too bad, no offense, but for the people who like Google Chrome and more smoother and like to put add-ons and stuff like that, then yeah, it's a lot better choice than getting Microsoft Edge. So pretty much why people use Chrome or Firefox or other third-party browsers. But for the rest, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So first thing to do is go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Microsoft Edge. It's probably going to be maybe the last time seeing this. And you know how this works. It comes to a regular site, tells you about it. And we can go to google.com, and all we have to do is type in pretty much Microsoft Edge, and here it is. It's already prompting me to change my default. I'm actually going to cancel that. And you'll probably see ads. You don't have to select those. You can just scroll down until you see the download new Microsoft Edge browser. You can click it, and it'll take you to this site right here, microsoft.com/en-us/edge. Now, if you don't want to make this difficult, because depending where you're at, it may not be in English in US for you. It might be in a different location trying to see this video. So if you want to find another route, you can probably just go to like msn.com. Very common. And funny thing about it, I'm going to pretend like I want Google Chrome from using Edge. And we'll see what comes up. And here we are, promoted by Microsoft, because they literally want to make you get the new Edge. They've always said sometime when they wanted to get the old Microsoft Edge was in the same advertisement to promote that instead of getting Google Chrome or Firefox. You get the point. I don't get to the same location, takes you to the same spot, and here we have it. Right there, you can pretty much download this if you have different systems. It can be installed on Windows 8, Windows 8.18, Windows 7. It can be also on Macs, iOS, and Android systems. But we're just going to download the current one that we need for Windows 10. And I'll tell you terms and conditions. I'm not going to read this whole novel. Just press accept and download. And you'll probably be prompted like this. Go ahead. You can actually save the file. Or you can just run the file. Actually, we'll go ahead and just save the file for the time being. And probably come back. And then if it comes, you can press run. Or if not, wherever you downloaded it. Like here I have some files downloaded. Either one, you can run it. And it'll come out to the same location right here. By opening this up, and you'll probably be prompted. Go ahead and press yes. And for the time being, I'm going to go ahead and exit the regular Edge because we're not going to be using that anymore. And pretty much it says getting ready. It's downloading Microsoft Edge, and let it do its work. It says the download's complete. Now it's installing the Microsoft Edge. And we'll see if these icons and stuff changes right now. We'll see. It's doing its own work. Taking a little bit for it. Oh, there it goes. And there's a new icon got replaced. And the one on the bottom hasn't been replaced yet. Oh, there it went. It finally got it. And here it is coming up. It's telling us fetching your Windows credentials, signing into Microsoft Edge. Welcome to your new Microsoft Edge, now better than ever. Well, I know, you're running off by Chromium. And pretty much as you get started, if you want to import stuff, there's inspirational, informable, focused. I'm probably just going to leave the default right here. And you can sync your stuff if you have OneDrive and other applications, passwords, and stuff like that. It's probably all linked because your account will be on here. Top right will be pretty much your sign-in information about it. Tells you more details, has dark mode, has safe. I'm not going to go into too depths on this. You understand, like, this is now run off by Chrome, so it's going to be a lot more smoother. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on a next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.